Hello, this morning we are going to be talking about adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing functions. And your prior knowledge, something that you guys already know how to do, is evaluate functions. So sometimes the notation looks a little different, but it means the same thing. So all of these mean addition. So if you have f of x plus g of x, it's the same thing as f plus g of x. And then this is just f plus g. Same thing for subtraction. You have f of x minus g of x, or f minus g of x, and then f minus g. Multiplication is a filled in dot. So all of these mean the same thing. So division, you have f of x divided by g of x, or f over g of x, or f over g. So today we're going to practice some of these. And we're going to begin with let f of x equals 2x minus 1 and g of x equals 3x plus 4. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm just going to draw a little square around these. And draw a little, well actually they're rectangles, not squares, but I'm just going to draw those. And so the first problem right here is going to add f plus g of x. So what that really means, it's f of x plus g of x. And so what is f of x? Well, if I turn this little piece of paper around, you're going to see that it's 2x minus 1. If I turn g of x around, then you're going to see that it's 3x plus 4. And so we're going to add these by combining like terms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to put 2x plus 1 in here, or minus 1, sorry. And then this is 3x plus 4. And we're going to combine like terms. So what looks like they're the same? Well, the 2x, I'm going to circle the 2x. And the 3x, they go together, so that's going to be 5x. And then you have the minus 1 and the positive 4, that's going to be a positive 3. So then your final answer is 5x plus 3. So literally, we're just combining like terms. Here, we're going to do f minus g of x. So if we bring this down, we're going to subtract those two right there. 2x minus 1 minus 3x plus 4. But this minus, you got to be careful. You have to put parentheses around the whole thing. And so we're going to put 2x minus 1 here. And then we're going to put 3x plus 4 over here. Now the reason why we need to put a minus sign is because we got to distribute the minus sign to both of these. So we're going to have 2x minus 1 minus 3x minus 4. So this is where the biggest mistake occurs. Students forget to distribute the minus into the second term or the third term or whatever. So right here we're going to combine like terms. So we have 2x minus 3x, that's going to be a negative x. And then we have a minus 1 and a minus 4, that's going to be a minus 5. So then this is going to be negative x minus 5 is your end result. Here we have f times g of x. So we're going to put parentheses to indicate multiplication. And we're going to put in 2x minus 1, and then we're going to have the g is 3x plus 4. Okay, now you can FOIL, first, outer, or you can do it by doing, so I have my little 4 squares right here so that I can use the box method. So then we're going to multiply 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times a negative 1 is a negative 3x. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times a negative 1 is a negative 4. We got to combine these two. So we're going to end up with 6x squared plus 5x, because 8x minus 3x is 5x, and then minus 4. And so this would be your end result. So those of you who like to FOIL can just go ahead and FOIL. Example 4, you're going to divide f divided by g. So you're dividing 2x minus 1 over 3x plus 4. And so this one, nothing is really going to cancel out. You cannot cancel out the x's. Why? Because you're multiplying a 2 and subtracting a 1. And so you're going to have to just, all this is the answer. There's no way of simplifying this. So that would be your final answer. Okay, now we're going to see if g minus f of x is the same thing as f minus g of x. So notice that order matters. So g comes first. So that means we're going to plug in 3x plus 4 minus 2x. So we're going to put 3x plus 4 minus 2x minus 1. Okay. So remember, this one has to have parentheses. So what we're going to do is plug in the 3x plus 4 over here because that's your g. And then minus 2x minus 1. So we're going to distribute the minus. So this comes down as 3x plus 4 minus 2x plus 1 because a negative and a negative is a positive. Now we combine like terms. So 3x minus 2x is just x and 4 plus 1 is 5. So notice that these two are not the same. Okay. And then the last example over here is g divided by f. So we're going to put the g on top. So we're going to put 3x minus, or 3x plus 4 over 2x minus 1. And you cannot do anything. Nothing cancels. And so that's going to be your final answer. Okay. So go ahead and go to the next video, video 2, to do the second page. So we got to go to video 2 right here. Okay, see you at the next slide.